सो दोस्तों नमस्ते क्योड़ा एंड वेलकम टू हिमालयन ट्रिप लवर। तो दोस्तों मैं थॉन्डन पहुंच गया हूं और अभी आई विल टेक यू टू द न्यूजीलैंड पार्लियामेंट। सो अभी हमारे पास टाइम भी बहुत है और बिफोर आई टेक यू टू द पार्लियामेंट थोड़ा कुछ लंच वगैरह कर लेते हैं और टाइम भी स्पेंड हो जाएगा और कार पार्क के लिए भी जगह मिल जाएगी। तो मैं यहाँ पे थॉन्डन न्यू वर्ल्ड के पास है, ये थॉन्डन न्यू वर्ल्ड। सो किन बट वुड यू लाइक इन lunch or quick snack?
Let's go to the Holy Bagel. We have lunch there.
Holy Bagel is nice,
Yes.
but we got choices here. Is what is called Chapman Cafe?
Chapman Taylor's Cafe.
Chapman. So this is a new world. You can get a very quick food. You say not fast food, but you know they very proper.
Have some sandwiches.
And Holy Bagel is somewhere here, along with this building, under this building.
Old building.
Okay, under this, you know, that looks like a very heritage building. So कुछ लंच करके आते हैं फिर निकलते हैं पार्लियामेंट के लिए
हाँ जी.
और देन वी विल बिकम अ पार्लियामेंटेरियन. ओके ओके सो वी गॉट आवर फूड. सो यू गॉट बिग स्टिंजर and I got
Lots
wood
of salad.
stock. So
So lots of salad and nice. Looks nice. I will try now.
how's it?
Very nice.
Is it?
Yummy.
What is in there?
It's a chicken, lettuce, tomatoes, and onion.
So looks very nice and
And
flavorsome.
it's everything bagel.
Oh, that's great, great. My one is wood stock, yeah? Wood stock I got here. Wow, very nice. You know look at it. You got a chicken, cheese, nice mushroom, and that is some sprouts, micro sprouts, and very, you know, the baking, earthy and roasted flavor. And this is a, you know, the mixed, it's a hard crust, you know, it's, you know, on the top you can see some sesame seeds and it's a little hard. Look at it. No match, no match. Damn good. Now with the apple, orange and mango. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So दोस्तों यार very nice place. It's something we are eating something healthy, and this place can host about 50 to 60 people, I think. And very nice service. I recommend it. It took about 8 minutes to prepare this, and coffee and drinks just straight away they give me in 2-3 minutes. And fantastic coffee, nice coffee. So worth visiting. So nice. ये प्लेस कहाँ पे ये आप जब यहाँ आओगे पार्लियामेंट के टूर के लिए तो आप न्यू वर्ल्ड के साथ में इसका एडजॉइनिंग बिल्डिंग है, एडजॉइनिंग टू न्यू वर्ल्ड. So दोस्तों आई एम एट द एंट्रेंस ऑफ न्यूजीलैंड पार्लियामेंट. Sections and from public gate. So that's New Zealand Parliament. So these are the 3 buildings. There's the one which is library, and that's a place where all the MPs chamber where they debate for any kind of bills. And this side is executive buildings that's called Beehive. So that is all the MPs and prime ministers' offices are there, and bills are being discussed in this place, and they source the information through their other ministers or through their MPs from this library, and they can sit and go through the books from the older literatures. Everything is preserved there, and because inside video is not allowed, so I'm just the telling you from outside, and that is the place where you can come and the protest against the bill if it is not in your favor. So Kiran, last time did you see a lot of people during the corona time? They assembled here and protested against the government because they were enforcing the all the publics to get the vaccination. So they assembled here, and but all other people can come and sit here. Some luncheons comes here because all around there's the lot of offices. These are all offices here. Police headquarters is this side. Just can't see from here, but just in the back side of these buildings. And here's Kate Shepherd apartment. She's the lady she protested for the women boards, and this building is very unique building. Beehive is this looks like a beehive. जैसे मधुमक्खी का छत्ता होता वैसे ही बिल्डिंग है, और इस साइड यही इनका सिक्योरिटी पॉइंट्स हैं, और बाकी ये है, बट बाकी ओपन है बिल्डिंग. यहाँ तक कोई सिक्योरिटी नहीं है, और यहाँ पे कोई भी आदमी बैठ सकता है, आ सकता है, प्रोटेस्ट कर सकता है. जो कोई अपने फेवर में बिल नहीं है तो यहाँ पे आके नारे लगा सकता है. और इनसाइड जो है वो काफ़ी सारी, जो मैंने सुना कि बॉल्स वगैरह पे मैंने कुछ फ़ोटो लेके भी आऊँगा, क्योंकि वीडियो तो अलाउड नहीं है, बट आई कैन do some photographies. So because you can see here some Englishmen here, and these are some the in front of the the steps, some Maori carvings on the pillars. You can see there. And ये बिल्डिंग लगता दूसरी या तीसरी बार बनी है, क्योंकि नाउ इट इज़ अर्थक्वेक स्ट्रेंथन्ड बिल्डिंग. ऑल द बिल्डिंग्स आर अर्थक्वेक स्ट्रेंथन्ड, एंड very fitted with the latest technology inside, because they put some bunkers, and all three buildings are interconnected from inside. These all the buildings. So that's the main characteristics of New Zealand Parliament. एंड ये भी बिल्डिंग जो है Beehive है, ये भी वेरी मच प्रोटेक्टेड बिल्डिंग है. इसमें भी वेरी प्रोटेक्टिव, इसमें भी नीचे बंकर्स हैं, और एट द टाइम ऑफ अर्थक्वेक escape routes, everything is there, everything is set. एंड और ये एरिया शायद मैंने पहले आपको बताया है नहीं. इस एरिया के नीचे फॉल्ट लाइन जा रही है, तो इसलिए ऑल द बिल्डिंग्स आर बीइंग स्ट्रेंथन very nicely. All the buildings, not only Parliament, but all other buildings in the CBD and this side, all strengthened to the face the earthquake. बाकी यही है, बाकी तो आपको पता ही है यहाँ पे बिल वगैरह बनते हैं और अपना पार्लियामेंट का. और पर ये एटलीस्ट हम ये पार्लियामेंट के बिल्कुल सामने घूम रहे हैं तो बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. और ठीक है दोस्तों, फिर आगे का जब मैं अंदर जाऊंगा तो फिर उसका वीडियो अलग से डालूंगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच. So do not forget to subscribe my video and give me a big thumb, so I will keep giving you the new videos. Thank you very much.